Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Helpless by Ali Gatie. Okay, so we're gonna play this with basic chords in the key of C major. Right, so just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning. We don't need a capo for this one. So for the beginner or intermediate player, we're gonna do the strums. So first, we start with the chords. The first chord is gonna be a C major, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Okay, so that's your C. And then you go to G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3, okay? And then we go to A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then lastly, we're gonna have an F, which I'm playing as an F minor, which is 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. All right. So if you're gonna strum this, the chords are the same for the verse and the chorus, so it's gonna be the same progression throughout the song. So if you're gonna strum this, you wanna mute your strings, right, and get that percussion motion going on, right? So we have, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you're strumming down 8 times per chord. Okay, so we have C to G. We have an A minor, sorry, and then F. All right, so C, G, A minor, and then F, okay? You got me feeling things I never felt. I met you in Lisbon over sand. Right, it's gonna be the same thing throughout the whole song. So that's for your beginner and intermediate player. All right, now for the advanced player, we're gonna play this. All right, now that's very easy, right? We will be using the bass notes for the chords that I just showed you, right? So if you wanna pluck, this is more of like an intermediate way of playing. C is gonna be 5, 4, 3, 2. And the lowest pitched string here is going to be your bass. Okay, so C, which is the root note, and then we go to G. So for C, it's 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. For G, it's 6, 4, 3. For A minor, 5, 4, 3, 2. For F, it's 6, 4, 3, 2. All right, so we have this thing going on the second string. You're going to be playing open, 1. Okay, so open 1 on your B string, and then you go to the high pitched E and play the 3rd fret, and then back on your B string, do a hammer on this time. So instead of open 1, you're doing a hammer on the 1st fret. So right, so we have open 1 and then 3 on the lower E string, the higher pitched E string, sorry. So open 1 on string number 2, and then 3rd fret of string number 1, and then back to hammer on. Right, so that's string number 2, sorry, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so we're gonna do that about 3 times, and then go to hammer on, and then this is 1 on the high pitched E string, so we have hammer on, and then open back to that 1st fret of the B string. Okay, so we have, okay, so that's 2, 1, 1, 2. All right, so let's go C, and then bass for G is gonna be 3rd fret on the 6th string, and then we go to A minor, where bass is gonna be 5th string open, and then for F, bass is 1st fret of 6th string. Alright, and C is 3rd fret of string number 5. right? So that is gonna be it for the whole song, guys. You can play that wherever you want. If you want to use it for the intro only, if you want to use it for the whole song, if you're that much of a pro, then just go for it. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.